Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon. I'm Jenna Lieber with Turnkey Product Management, the Amazon experts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey guys, it's Jenna. So this week what we're talking about is Amazon Storefront. And basically just, talking about how you can really take your Amazon storefront to the next level. So if you are a brand registered seller, we highly recommend that you set up an Amazon storefront. This is an amazing place to drive external traffic. Using your Amazon storefront, you're really able to expand on your brand, show off your different assets, different images, different lifestyle images, different videos that you might have at your disposal, really just showing your customers who you are as a brand, right? We always talk about it on Amazon, unfortunately. It does limit you. It does kind of, take away from who you are as a brand. You're not really able to express yourself as much on your listing. So your Amazon storefront is a great place to do that. So, obviously if you do not have your Amazon storefront set up already, we highly suggest that you do that. It really is just a great opportunity for you to take your brand next level on Amazon. Now, if you do have your storefront set up, we highly recommend that you take advantage of the storefront source tabs. Essentially what you're able to do is within the Insight dashboard, you are able to set up tags to track how your customers are getting to your store. So basically what you would do is using this feature, you can essentially send external customers to your storefront, any page within that storefront. So you can send them to the main page, or if your products are organized by type or anything like that, you can send them to a specific type based off the audience you're sending the link to, things like that. So it's really, really easy to set up. So all you have to do is go into that dashboard, that internal dashboard within the storefront, and you select the storefront page you want the customer to go to and create the tag. So once you have set all of that up, Amazon's going to create a link for you, and what you'll be able to do is you'll use that link externally and send that traffic that way. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not mixing your tags up, because you don't want to get mixed data, right? So if you have a specific tag set up for a Facebook ad, you don't want to send that tag or that link rather to your email list or something like that. We don't want to mix up those external resources, right? So that's one really big focus right there. So you want to make sure you're creating tags for those specific avenues externally. Now, our team would suggest that you do this tactfully, right? So you don't want to just send them to a given page just based off of just guessing or anything like that. So make sure you're using your storefront insights to see just what what pages within your storefront are converting the best. You are able to see that within your insights, so you can rather make a data-driven decision on which tag you should apply to which page within your storefront. So some areas that you can be sending traffic to are your Facebook ads. So you can run Facebook ads to any audiences you've created, whether that's through your Amazon customer list or if that's through audiences you already had within Facebook. You can send them to the storefront to shop. You can also use these storefront tags to send your email list to your storefront to shop. You can do any other, you could even do a mailer where you could have a QR code where they can scan that QR code if you take into that exact page on your storefront. And essentially what you're going to be able to do, obviously you're going to get some traffic to your storefront. People are going to be able to see kind of a different side to what you look like on Amazon. But in addition to that, you're going to be able to see which external source is the strongest in your arsenal, right? So maybe you have an email list, you have a Facebook list, but you're just not sure which one converts the best and which one sends the most traffic to Amazon. This is a really great way to see which one is doing the best and which one is driving the most customers to your Amazon storefront, and just honestly, Amazon in general. That's all we have for this update. Thank you guys so much for listening. I will see you next week. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.